Actually, to make this more simple, let's think of MBSE like preparing a complex dish. So to prepare a great meal, we should have everything that comes together and works together, from ingredients, instructions, timing, and tools. So MBSE pillars are like the core parts of good recipe. So parameters will come at the end. First, we define the recipe goal. Is the meal vegetarian? Should it be cooked under 30 minutes, and so on. The structure is the ingredient list and the tools. So we define the spices, for example, the pasta, the tools, the blender, the oven, how this fits together. Then we define the processes to create the dish, which is the cooking instructions. Then comes the parametrics, which are which are the parts that are critical to the performance. For example, in order to create a meal of pasta, we should have 200 grams of pasta. We should have 1 teaspoon of salt. So this parametrics in MBSE defines the quantitative relationships and constraints, which makes the recipe repeatable, ensure it comes right every time we create the recipe. So every time we develop the product.